Hey y'all, today is my birthday and I know I look a mess. I was supposed to wash my hair today and that didn't happen, and then some other really crappy stuff happened. So I'm determined to turn my birthday around, and I am going to put this in a puff and go out to dinner with myself. I'm gonna leave the kids at home and I don't know, find a way to make this day just a little bit better. But I am grateful to have made it to another day, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the puff I come up with. I guess I may film it, but I don't know. Either way, you'll see the results. All right, bye.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time.
Hello everybody, it is wash day again. It should have been yesterday, but that's neither here nor there. Today we're gonna actually get it done. And today is gonna be a wash day of first. Everything that I will be using, including the tools, will be my first time using it. So sounds like fun to me. Got a collaboration. And other things I just wanna work it out and see how it works. And I'm excited about it. So I'm about to get it started. It is about 5 o'clock in the evening. I really meant to do it at about 10 o'clock this morning, and that didn't work out because I was sleepy, but we're getting it done now. So continue to follow on with me as we get wash day completed. Y'all see my box of goodies? It is the wash day kit from Joiful B, and it comes with a detangler brush, a misting bottle, a thermal cap, a shampoo brush, and a microfiber towel. And like I said, it's from Joiful B, and I'll be using this for the first time today. And you can use my promo code ALLKINDZ, that's ALLKINDZ, for $5 off. I can't wait to show you guys how I use it, and I'm excited about seeing how everything works. And let's go. Okay, I have finished the pre-shampoo treatment that I am trying today, and that's the one that's for my collaboration. And I'm really interested to see if I will be able to feel a visible difference after the first use. And as well, you know, if my hair feels different as well. I don't know about y'all, but I use my plastic grocery bags as my shower cap. It works the same, like literally works the same. So I'm gonna sit under some heat for a little bit. I'm actually gonna use my steam cap, and then I'm gonna wash it out. Okay, so I did kind of a mixture today for my deep conditioner. There's a rice and Amla anti-breakage treatment, and it's a powder form, and I mixed it with the combing cream as a deep conditioner. And I've done the front of my hair already. I'm getting ready to do the back of it. And I also used this new detangling brush for the first time. Still trying to decide whether or not I like it. Not sure yet. I'm gonna keep going through the rest of my hair. And then I'll be back a little later.
We got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me?
Well, I've decided I'm going to do flat twists. And I'm going to get under the dryer after I do them. So hopefully they'll be dry by morning. Wish me luck. I'm going to use a mousse. I haven't done that. And I'm excited about trying it. So I am going to let it play for a little while and let y'all kind of see the process where I'm going through it. And then I'll show up to show you the results tomorrow.
Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change over time. We got older, babe, yeah, but I wanna stay with you and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna let me love me with my flaws and all? Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise now, are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Never fall. Promise.
Well, good morning. Good morning. I just got this sitting under the dryer. I am needing to leave for work, so I'm praying that my hair is dry. I'm really praying that it's dry.
Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change over time. We got older, babe, yeah, but I wanna stay with you and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change.